A Charlotte woman is trying to fight her DWI conviction, claiming she's the victim.
That's right. Police found her passed out, drunk, and naked in a car at UNC Charlotte. Now, this may seem like an open and shut case, but new at 6, Eyewitness News reporter Mark Becker discovered she isn't the only one saying someone else is to blame.
When a UNCC police officer checked behind this utility building early one morning 2 years ago, he reported finding a woman sitting in a car with the engine running, wearing a black bra and nothing else. She was incoherent and smelled of alcohol, so he took her to the jail, where her blood alcohol registered .24 and then .23, almost 3 times the legal limit, and he charged her with DWI. But now her attorney says there may be more to that story.
These cases are ones that most people do not want to admit something happened to them.
Bill Powers couldn't talk about this case specifically, but he has represented, he told us, several other cases in the past 18 months where women say someone spiked their drink in a bar or club and they ended up behind the wheel of a car apparently drunk with no idea of how they got there. The law, he says, calls that automatism, where a person isn't conscious of what he or she is doing.
It is scary. It's scary to think about that you can be in a bar somewhere and someone puts something in your drink.
Prosecutors don't routinely comment on pending cases, so we asked a former prosecutor who handled DWI cases if that defense can work.
You have to show that she became intoxicated involuntarily, which then led to unconsciousness, essentially.
And that, Mark Foster told us, can be tough for a defense attorney to prove. But Powers says it's not unheard of.
The jury needs to hear everything. Everyone needs to keep an open mind.
Powers will now get a chance to convince a jury that his client isn't guilty when the case comes to trial. It's set for January. Reporting at the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, Mark Becker, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.